Next, seventh problem. Same page number. First, I read the problem in your textbook. I read it only. Subtract 3k into 5k minus L plus 3m from 6k into 2k plus 3L minus 2m. This is the problem. First, I explain this problem. First, these two terms, product, monomial is multiplied by the polynomial. First two terms, product, I have to calculate it only. Next, last two terms, product, I have to calculate it. Next, subtracting up these two only. Last two terms minus first two terms, product. We will get the result only, final result. That is the explanation only. Yeah, first let the solution for this problem. First, the product of the first two terms multiply by monomial by each term of the polynomial. Subtract 3k into 5k minus L plus 3m from 6k into 2k plus 3L minus 2m. That is the problem. Yeah, first the product of the first two terms, 3k into 5k minus L plus 3m. Here, by using the distributive property, multiply by the monomial by each term of the polynomial by using the distributive property. Here first 3k into 5k minus 3k into second term L plus 3k into 3m. First product of the coefficient, then variables. You have to write it. 3k into 5k is 3 5 is 15. K into k is k square minus 3kl plus 3 into 3 9. Variables, then variables, product of the variables, then you have to write it only. K into m is km, so 9km. This is the equation number 1. Next, the product of the last two terms, 6k into 2k plus 3L minus 2m. Here it is also again by using the distributive property. So 6k into 2k plus 6k into 3L minus 6k into 2m. Product of the coefficient, then variables. You have to write it one by one. So 6k into 2k, 6 2 is 12, k into k is k square plus 6 3 is 18, k into L kl minus 6 2 is 12, k into m km. So this is the equation number 2. Next, the subtracting from equation number 2 minus equation number 1. So what's the equation number 2? 12k square plus 18kl minus 12km minus bracket of first equation 1. How to write it here? What's the equation 1? 15k square minus 3kl plus 9km. Next, 12k square plus 18kl minus 12km. Removing the brackets. Minus 15k square, minus into minus is plus 3kl, minus into plus minus 9km. So final product. What's the final product? Here it is combining the like terms. Plus 12k square minus 15k square. So here minus 3k square. Plus, what's the next like terms? KL terms. Plus 18KL plus 3KL. So total is the 21KL. Minus next like term is the KM terms. So minus 12KM minus 9KM. What's the answer? Minus 21KM. This is the final answer. What's the final answer? What's the final product? Minus 3k square plus 21kl minus 21km. This is the final product. We will get this answer only. Okay, this is the 7th problem solution. It's over. And next we will go to the 8th problem. Next, 8th problem. First of all, I read the problem in our textbook only. I read it. Simplify a square into a minus b plus c plus b square into a plus b minus c minus c square into a minus b minus c. This is the problem. First I explain this problem. Here it is. This is the terms there only. First two terms plus, then again next two terms minus of next two terms only. This is the simplified. First, how will you do this problem? First, let the solution for this problem. First two terms. All are the two terms. Here it is multiplied by monomial. Here it is the monomial and polynomial. Product of these are terms. All are the three terms is monomial and polynomial. So multiply by the monomial by each term of the polynomial by using the distributive property. You already know the process. So a square into a minus a square into second term is b. So a square into b plus a square into third term c. So a square c plus b square into a plus b square into b minus plus into minus minus. So b square into c minus c square into a minus into minus plus. So c square into b plus minus into minus plus. So plus c square into c. So next a square into a. Here it is the basis is the same, both bases. So should be added the exponents. Otherwise, since using the a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n, product law are using it in this problem only. So a square into a is a to the power of 3 minus a square into b, a square b plus a square into c is a square c plus b square into a is b square a plus b square into b. Here it is the both are the bases is same, so we can add the exponents only. So 2 plus 1, so b cube minus b square into c, b square c minus c square into a, c square a plus c square into b, c square b plus c square into c. So both bases are the same, so we can add the exponents. C square into c is c cube. So next how to write it? Final product. What's the final answer? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus a square b plus b square a plus c square b plus a square c minus c square a. This is the final answer. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. This is the exercise 11.2. All problems and solutions. It's over. Yeah. Next exercise 11.3. Are you understood of the previous class, Gagan Sai? Yeah. 11.6. In Telangana State Book, multiplying a binomial by binomial or trinomial. Multiplying binomial by binomial. Yeah, the topic with the examples and stepwise it's over in previous class. Are you understood? Are you any doubts?
No.
No doubts. Shall I start the today class?
Yes.
Yeah, based on those topics, today we will learn the exercise 11.3 first bit, first and second problems. Today we will learn it on multiply the binomials. In Telangana State Book, page number is 261. Other book, expert book, part 2 SB9 page number 51. First that is also with the examples, problems, and step wise it's over. Other book is also, and today we will learn the Telangana state book. First two problems. First of all, I read the first problem. 2a minus 9 and 3a plus 4. This is given problem. So what's the first two binomials? Here it is the two binomials is given. Next, how to calculate the product only. Given data, how to write it in our given problem. What is given? Two binomials is give. To find is multiply the binomials. These problems, the stepwise today we will learn it only. Let the solution for this problem. First, step 1. Write the product of two binomials with multiplication statement. 2a minus 9 into 3a plus 4. And next, step 2. Multiply each term of the first polynomial by each term of the second one, since by using the distributive property. First 2a. First binomial is the first term is 2a into 3a plus 4. Next, second term minus 9 into 3a plus 4. Then again using the distributive property law using. Next, 2a into 3a plus 2a into 4 minus 9 into 3a. Here minus into plus is minus. So 9 into 4, that is the second term multiplication. It's over. Next, here it is the product of the coefficient. Then write the variables on. 2 cross 3 is 6. Next, a into a is a square plus 2a into 4, product of the coefficient, then variables only. So 2 4 ja 8. Next, variables a, 8a minus product of the coefficient, 9 3 ja 27, a minus 9 4 ja 36. This is the step 2. Next, step 3. Add the like terms or combine in the like terms and write the final product. What's the like terms there in this above expression? 6a square plus 8a minus 27a. These two are the like terms only. So subtracting minus 27a plus 8 equal to minus 19a minus 36 only. Therefore, the final product equal 6a square minus 19a minus 36. This is the final answer. Product of these two terms, we will get this product only. What's the final product? 6a square minus 19a minus 36. This is the final answer. It's over. This problem solution is over. Next, we will go to the second problem. First, I read the problem in our textbook only. I read it only. X minus 2y and 2x minus y. Multiply these two binomials. First, let the solution for this problem. What's the first step 1? Write the product of the two binomials. What's the binomials is give? X minus 2y into 2x minus y. Next, step 2. Multiply each term of the first polynomial by each term of the second one, since by using the distributive property. So x into 2x minus y. Next, second term. Second term of the first polynomial is 2y. 2y into 2x minus y. Next, then again is the distributive property. X into 2x minus x into y minus 2y into 2x plus minus into minus is plus. So 2y into y. Next, here by using the product law. A to the power of m into a to the power of n equal to a to the power of m plus n. Yeah, first product of the coefficient and then how to write the variables only. So 2 cross 1 is 2 and x into x is x square minus x into y is xy minus product of the coefficients. What's the coefficients here? It is 2 cross 2, that is 4. Next variables, x into y is xy plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus y into y is y square. So next step 3, add the like terms or combining the like terms and write the final product. First 2x square, what's the like terms here? It is minus xy minus 4xy. These two are the like terms only. So minus xy minus 4xy is the minus 5xy plus 2y square. Therefore, the final product equal 2x square minus 5xy plus 2y square. This is the final product of these two terms. We will get this answer only. Okay, 2x square minus 5xy plus 2y square. This is the this second problem solution is over. Are you understood of the two problems given side? Are you any doubts?
No.
No doubts? Okay, say thank you. Have a nice day. Like, share and subscribe. Remaining problems I will meet you next class only. Yeah, in this first week, two problems is left. Third and fourth problem. Those two problems is the like this same as above problems model. Okay, all are that 1 to 4 problems is the same models only. So I will explaining shortly. Okay, I will meet you next class. Thank you for watching. Please support me, like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get my latest update videos in my channel. If you are confused to get my videos, then go to the playlist in my channel. I will upload all my videos playlist wise, so we can easily find it. I hope this video is helpful for you.